What's up, everybody? It's your boy Tech JRD back again with another video. And today I got for you the pre-order. If you pre-ordered the S10 5G, you get this bundle. If you pre-ordered it, it's too late to do it now, but you had to like the 15th of last month to do the pre-order. So the FedEx truck just came in. So I just want to do a quick unboxing of the pre-order VIP kit, it's called. I'll do a select special video of the things that are in it, like testing out the Galaxy Buds and how they sound and all that stuff. I just wanted to show you the packaging, and I'm probably like one of the first ones to get it because the minute I was able to fill out my thing for the pre-order, I did it. So let's just take a quick look, and then I'll do other videos later, but let's just see what's in here. So the seal was broken already when it came off the FedEx, so I don't know what that's about. It was inside of a box already, but the seal was broken, so I don't know if they had to like recheck it or something. But so at the top, you got some books. Welcome to 5G. Congratulations. Stuff you don't need. Just reading material. Let's see what this is. Another pamphlet. Just telling you about 5G. Thanking me for spending $1,300 on it. Just telling me about the contents. Pluck all it to the side. Pluck it to the side. The thing that I'm most excited about, well, let's just get the water bottle out of the way. 5G water bottle. Nothing fancy. It's got the screw top. It's pretty nice though. Pretty nice material. Got the 5G on it, so everybody know I'm drinking 5G water. But okay, then we're gonna get to the Galaxy Buds, which I wasn't a big fan of in-ear wireless headphones. Maybe because the Apple ones, like people like those ones, just look ridiculous to me. I might not like these either, but I'm gonna give them a fair shake. You can't beat it for spending pretty much for free. So those are, I know you've probably seen videos on these already, but these are the Galaxy Buds. These are the white ones. I would prefer, like a black or whatever, but like I said, I can't complain. The thing I was most excited about that made me even tempted to do this was this bad boy. It's a portable wireless charger. And this thing is an absolute beast. Got all the ports up there. The back, look at that, 10,000 milliamps. Now, my phone is 4,500, so I'd only be able to charge it like twice. But for any like other normal phone, like my Motorola sitting over here, I could probably charge that thing like 3 times. So this is what I wanted, like a portable charger. I don't got to plug it in if I don't want to, but if I do, I got the option. Like, this is going to be amazing. This is everything to me that in this package. This is what I did the pre-order for, just to get this. Otherwise, I would have just walked into the store on release day to get it. But yeah, so that's just a quick unboxing look at the VIP box. There's not much left on the box. It was super plain. It was just in a black box, and it has this Samsung Verizon on there. But yeah, I don't want to make this video too long. 4 minutes is good. So all right, y'all. I'll make another video about the rest of the stuff later. Peace.